All right, we're gonna make a short video here. We just finished scree. We're waiting on the shuttle to pick us up, take us back to base camp. We're gonna shoot this ibex here with the ibex release. And the cool thing is, check out these cool hats. Tyler, show them these cool hats. If you get in the 10 with the release, you get one of these hats, right?
10 with the hinge release.
Yeah, 10 with the hinge.
If you use the button, you have to get a 12, and you can only get these hats by stopping here and making this shot. You
How
cannot
cool is
buy
that?
them or nothing.
I'm fixing to try to get one of them hats. The release would be cool, but I really just want that hat. All right. So I did 3 tickets. Let's see if I can find 3 arrows I like. I don't like that one. We'll go with this one. All right, it is 57.5 yards is what I'm getting. 7.5. The hard part on this is the 10 ring is not where you would think it'd be. It's just up from the shoulder, right?
Yep. Good thing about old Archery, they like to do their score areas where you'd actually want to shoot something.
Yeah, if you were actually shooting an African animal. All right, and this is a very cold hinge. I do remember that.
Yes.
All right, 57. Looking for that 10 ring. Fun. I'm gonna put my hat down or something. I can't see a thing.
We can go ASA style, and I can hold an umbrella for you.
You got an umbrella?
I do.
If you'll hold me an umbrella, just get the sun out of my face, I would appreciate it. Perfect. Dang, I'm in the neck. That's a horrible shot. I cannot make that thing go off. Finally just had to dump it. That's really what I should have let down and just tried again. I could not get it to dump. You know, it makes that little vibration.
And then you think you're just about there. And
I couldn't get the vibration.
No.
That's why I was like, something ain't right. All right, here we go. There was it, and I freaking jumped it. Damn it. 57 yard, and I just sailed it. All right, I'm sending this last one. I wasn't crazy about this arrow, so freaking.
Well, don't use that as an excuse to dump it again.
Well, it just takes so long to get there. And then when you're like, there's the click, and you start getting shaky, you're like, you just got to send it, I guess.
Just remember to breathe until you get to the click.
Yeah. All right. All right, here we go. Okay, that one felt good. I may be a touch right of it, but here's your release. If I'm not in it, by God, I'm gonna come back. I don't think I'm in it, I think I'm right of it. Yeah, definitely right of it. Too. That hurt my feelings, I can't do that anymore. I'm gonna take a few clicks to the right. Let me check my rangefinder again. Round 2, we're gonna get in this dang ibex 10 ring. See it back there. I can't see the dang target. It's so dark back there. Like, I think I'm looking at it now. I'm like, I don't want to sail another one into the woods. God, it almost would be better to come back at like noon when it's right above you. I think you could see it because the sun right now is here, so it's in the shade.
Actually, later in the afternoon, whenever the sun's back here,
there.
and it's just straight illuminating it.
Gotcha.
Was about the best visual time for it.
All right, I tell you what, I'm gonna come back then because that's when I think I'm just shooting into the darkness here.
All right.
I'll come back then and shoot, and I'll get some tickets up there when I'm paying them anyway. And I definitely want one of them hats. All right, 106 yards. Try to get it in the blue O.
There really was.
Savannah, your left and right is good. You're about that high though, and you are about that high. Just a touch right, not much.
Okay.
Looks like did you shoot the screen or the other course across the street?
Right of it.
The van is in the 8. Take over the 8. You dropped it right at the core.
That's what I thought. I felt I dropped low on that one too.
Wild Creek, and then Rolling Bones was pretty good. There was one that you shot the 15. There was one that had 15 targets. That one is just on the bottom side of the blue. Yeah. The other one is tough.
Touch high and touch low.
There's 100 what's that one? 120 something yards. Straight up.
Yeah.
That'd
be a good place to shoot.
Yeah. In the blue.
Yeah, this was the first. I did good on the first one. Just right there. Do it again? All right. What's that long shot over there? 125 across the street? On the street? 11 o'clock in the blue.
God, you kidding me? There's my 5. I got 5 more in a minute.
Sable.
Stay, I'm all around it.
On the line.
Liner.
Yeah, you had your first recognized. Just under the teeth. It's gonna be close one.
Just call it good. Don't even go look. Just call it good.
Just enough to make me go down there.
I wish your enthusiasm was a little more though. Like, oh my gosh! Something like that. Low.
In the blue.
Low.
Between 5 and 6. Yep.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
What's the difference?
Well, if my arms would stop moving, I would.
T. In between the O and the T there. Just touching the T.
Touch high.
Yeah, 1 o'clock just outside. You can wait on it or you can shoot whatever you want, buddy. That one, dead center.
Perfect. Thank you. Whew, that's what I like to hear. Talk to me like that more often.
That one is on the line about 9 o'clock.
Touch low.
Yeah, you went low.
Ah, only gonna get one.
This one.
Hey, I'll take it. Any of them I can get, I'll take it. Dang, that other one was close though. Lined one, centered one, and then just out of it on that one. This one, I'll take any way I can get them. 56, 57, 57 and a half. One thing that we got now though is a little bit of wind.
Traded low light for wind.
I think I'll take that trade. Nothing. And that flew weird. Oh, she don't want to hand that to you. Probably flew weird because I slammed on it. I think I'm a touch right, but my height I think is pretty good. Just got to get that thing to get to the dump quicker. Oh, I'm on the leg. How did I get so low?
Now let's combine the two.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, mentally is what I've got to get fixed right now, is just the not dumping this thing. Just trying to get the time to get to the click down. That's in, I think. I think that one's a no-doubter. Keep going though. That one, the first time I was able to get the timing of it right. I just, like I said, I just want a hat, man. That's really all I want. Just want a hat. Think I got a hat. Pressure's off.
Was that 2 or 3?
I only have 5, so I got 1 left. So this is 4 and that's 5. Is that right? I only got 5 arrows, so you can put all 5 of them in. Okay, I went high on that one.
People.
That one would be close. Let's go check them. We got 3 in. See if we can get some more in. I'm definitely moving. I think that one's in too. I think that one's in. That's why I just need to get a bunch of reps with this hinge and figure out when it's gonna click on me. That one might be a touch left. Close. We're all around it if we're not in it. Caught that limb. I'm definitely left on that one. I saw that limb move. I knew that last one was out. What did I get? 2 more? 2 more in? Dang, I really thought these 2 were in as well, but I was seeing the insert, I guess. So was it 5 total?
Yep.
All right, I'll take it. All right, so how cool is that? If you shoot this release, you're entered, and you get in the 10 ring, you're entered to win one of these releases. And you get a sweet hat. Can't buy it, you only can win it. Pretty cool.